Trigonometric ratios up to transformations unit concept compound angles. Compound angles. Okay, if we are writing an angle, into algebraic sum of two or more angles, then such an angle is called a compound angle. Okay, for example, A, B, C, D up to so on, these are some angles. If we are taking algebraic sum means A plus B, A minus B plus C, like this. So it is called algebraic sum. So the algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. Example: A plus B, A minus B, so A plus B minus C. So this is algebraic sum of two or more angles. So A minus B minus C and A minus B plus C. So all these are called algebraic sum. So this is called compound angles. So difference is one kind of addition. A plus B, A minus B, we can write it as A plus of minus B. Okay, now we will discuss the trigonometric ratios of the compound angles. So I will write the formulas. You must remember these formulas. So proofs are not very important, but we need to remember these formulas. Sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, third, cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So once I will discuss sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B. If we are taking these two formulas, if it is middle plus, we will get a plus. If it is middle minus, we will get minus. So sin of A plus B, the combination sin and cos, sin A cos B, then cos A sin B, combination. So here also combination is like that, but if it is sin minus in middle, we are taking minus, plus in middle, plus. So sin A cos B, cos A sin B, combination of, when we are taking sin, combination of sin and cos. So sin A cos B, cos A sin B. If it is sin of A plus B, middle plus, sin of A minus B, middle minus. Okay, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. So in this combination, we need to take both cos, both sin. Cos A cos B, sin A sin B. This is the combination. Cos A cos B, sin A sin B. So if it is plus in middle, we take minus. Minus in middle, we are taking plus. Next, tan of A plus B. So the formula for tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. For example, so I am taking writing proof here. Sin of A plus B, tan of A plus B equal to sin by cos. Sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B by sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this we will get. So actually tan formula I need in terms of tan. Tan is nothing but sin by cos. So denominator cos. So I want to divide numerator and denominator with cos A cos B. Sin A cos B by cos A cos B plus cos A cos B, cos A sin B by cos A cos B by cos A cos B by cos A cos B minus sin A cos B sin A sin B by cos A cos B. Simple thing I done. Simply divide with cos A cos B with numerator and denominator. Cos A cos B cos A cos B cos A cos B cos A cos B. I'm dividing each term. So simply dividing numerator and denominator with cos A cos B. So this one with this one. Okay. Now cos B cancel. Cos A cancel. Cos B cancel. Next nothing cancel. Here cos A is also cancel. Sin A by cos A tan A plus sin B by cos B tan B by this will getting cancel 1 minus sin by cos tan A sin by cos tan B sin B by tan cos B tan. This is the formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So similarly tan of A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan. So same problem. So here it is minus minus minus. This is plus minus plus. Overall here it is minus. It is plus. The formulas will be. Okay. So this is tan of A minus B. Next. Cot of A plus B equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Next, cot of A minus B equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Okay, so one of the formula I will prove. Cot of A plus B. So previously we proved A plus B. Now I want to prove for A minus B. Cot A cot B, cot of A minus B, sin of cos by sin, cos of A minus B by sin of A minus B, cos of A minus B by sin of A minus B. So what is the formula for cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B. Combination, if we are taking cos, combination cos A cos B and sin A sin B. In between minus, so we are taking this by so sin of A minus B. If we are taking sin of A minus B from the sin cos combination, sin A cos B. If it is minus, it is minus only cos A sin B. So now we need in terms of cot. Previously in terms of tan, the denominator is cos. In terms of cot, we need to convert entirely in terms of cot. Divide with sin. Sin A sin B. So cos A cos B by sin A sin B plus sin A sin B by sin A sin B. Entirely sin A sin B divided. Sin A cos B by sin A sin B minus cos A sin B by sin A sin B. So here nothing cancel. Sin A cancel. Sin B cancel. Sin A cancel. Sin B cancel. Okay. So remain cos by sin cot A cos by sin cot B plus entirely cancel 1 by cos by sin cot B minus cos by sin cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. If we are taking plus, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is the form. Okay, similar to same proof. Okay, next. Tan of pi by 4 plus A or tan of 45 plus A. Tan of 45 plus A equal to 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. Next, tan of pi by 4 minus A equal to tan of 45 minus A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. Next. So next formula. So tan pi by 4 plus A tan pi by 4 minus A equal to, so pi by 4 plus A, product of these two, all will getting cancelled, we will get 1. Next, cot of pi by 4 plus A equal to, so cot of pi by 4 plus A equal to cot A minus 1 by cot A plus 1. Cot A minus 1 by cot A plus 1. So 13. Cot of pi by 4 minus A, cot A plus 1 by cot A minus 1. We can also prove this one also. We can easily prove this. So in the sin of A plus B formula, instead of A you are writing 45, instead of B, A, you will get this form. Okay. So similarly, in a cot of A plus B formula, instead of A, if you write pi by 4, instead of B, if you write A, you will get this one. Okay. Next, tan of cot of pi by 4 plus A, cot of pi by 4 minus A, product, all will getting cancelled, we will get 1. Next, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B equal to cos square B minus cos square B. So we can easily prove this one also. I want to prove this one. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to, what is sin of A plus B formula? So this is the formula for sin of A plus B. This is the formula for sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into sin of A minus B sin A cos B plus, actually if it is minus, we will get minus cos A sin B. If we observe entirely this is A, this is B. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So A square is square, sin square A, cos square B square. Next, minus cos square A, sin square B. So I want to convert entirely in terms of sin. So cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square A minus cos square equal to 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. So this is sin square B. This one into this one. Sin square B into minus sin square A minus sin square A minus sin square A. So actually this is sin square A. This is 1 minus sin square B. This is A. Sin square A into 1 sin square A minus sin square A sin square B. Minus 1 into sin square B minus sin square B. Minus into minus plus sin square A sin square B. Sin square A sin square B cancel. We will get sin square A minus sin square B. So sin square A minus sin square B. Proved 1. So I want to write the sin square A as 1 minus cos square A minus sin square B as 1 minus cos square B. So implies 1 minus cos square A minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square B. So 1 getting cancelled. Cos square B minus cos square A. So this is the solution. Okay, this is the proof. Okay, so actually proof is not important. So we must remember this formula. This is the important thing. Next, 16th. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B equal to cos square B minus sin square A. So we can also prove like this. So proof is not mandatory here. So this is the formula. So if sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, both sin square a minus sin square b are both cos square b minus cos square a. Okay, so if we are taking sin square a minus b here, sin square a minus sin square b, but here not here, so cos square b minus cos square a. So cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So combination of cos and sin, but always cos will be positive, sin will be negative. Cos square a minus sin square b, cos square b minus sin square a. So these are the formulas to remember. Okay, next extreme values. Extreme values are maximum or minimum. Maximum or minimum values of trigonometric function. Okay, so we need to find out maximum and minimum value. We know already what is the maximum and minimum values of sin and cos. Minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 is the minimum value of sin and the maximum value of sin and cos are plus 1. So similarly, if a trigonometric function is given, so a trigonometric function is in the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Then so a sin x plus b cos x plus c. So here angle should be equal. Remember, angle should be equal. A sin x plus b cos x plus c or a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So constant may change, but this x value will be same. Okay, angle will be same. Then maximum or minimum equal to this we call as extreme values, plus or minus under root a square plus b square plus c plus or minus under root a square plus b square, or plus or minus write like this, c plus or minus under root a square plus b square. So this is the maximum or minimum values. So our extreme values also we can call. Okay, next. Trigonometric ratios of angles 15 degrees and 75 degrees. So we need to find out the trigonometric ratios for 15 degrees and 75 degrees. Already we know some particular angles. We know for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Now we need to find out the values for 15 degrees and 75 degrees. Okay, so sin 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so I am taking sin 15 equal to sin of 45 minus 30. Sin of 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 equal to 15. 15 right like this. So sin of a minus b formula, sin a cos b, next minus cos a sin b, sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30, sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. So denominator 2 root 2. Numerator 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, sin 75 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75. So this is 75. Now I am taking 75 equal to 45 plus 30. 75. So formula is between plus, this is plus, this is plus. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the formula for sin 75. So 15, 45 minus 30, 75, 45 plus 30. Next, cos 15 equal to Instead of doing this one, cos 15 equal to cos of 90 minus 75. Cos of 90 minus 75. So cos of 90 minus a equal to sin a. Since it is 90, cos will become sin, and in the first quadrant cos is positive, sin a. Sin a equal to sin 75. Sin 75 how much? Sin 75 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is equal to cos 15. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So sin 75 cos 15 values are equal. Similarly, sin 15 cos 75 values are equal root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value. Next, so tan 15 to tan 75, cot 15 to cot 70. Okay. So tan 15 I want to find. So tan 15 equal to sin 15 by cos 15. Sin 15 how much? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 getting cancelled. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So I want to rationalize the denominator by multiplying its rationalizing factor root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So numerator root 3 minus 1 whole square. So root 3 minus 1 whole square. So root 3 square minus 1 square. Because a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a minus b whole square, root 3 square 3, 1 square 1 minus 2 root 3 by root 3 square 3 minus 1. 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2 divided with 2 4 by 2 2 minus 2 by 2 1 2 minus 2. So tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. If we are taking tan 75 equal to, this is 75 plus minus, it will be like this. So we will get 2 plus root 3. Same thing, we will get 2 plus root 3. So cos 15 equal to, so similar to the previous, cos 15 equal to cot 90 minus 75. Cot 90 minus 75 equal to, so since it is 90 we will change this tan 75 first quadrant column. Tan 75 equal to 2 plus root 3. So cot 15 is also 2 plus root 3. Next, cot 15, cot 75 equal to tan 15, 2 minus 2. So one thing we remember, sin 15 cos 75 same, sin 75 cos 15 same. Okay, so sin is increases in the interval 0 to 90. So for sin we are taking 50, we are taking minus, 75 we are taking plus. So if we are taking cos 15 in between plus 75 in between minus. So cos 75 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, sin 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 75 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15, cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, tan and the cot. Tan is increasing. First 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 2 plus root 3. Cot will be reversed. So cot 15 value more, 75 will value less. Okay, this one. Next, trigonometric ratios for an angle 105 degrees. 105 degrees. So now I want to find out angle for 105. Sin 105 equal to, so sin 105 equal to sin of 90 plus 15. Sin of 90 plus theta. So since it is 90, sin will become cos 15. 90 plus second quadrant sin is positive. Cos 15 value how much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 105 equal to, if we are taking cos 105, cos of 90 plus 15. So since it is 90, cos will become sin. So and in the second quadrant cos is negative, minus sin 50. So minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2 2 cos 15. Next, tan 105. If you are taking tan 105, now tan 90 plus 15. Since it is 90, tan will become cot. In the second quadrant, tan is negative minus cot 15 minus of cot 15 value root 2 plus root 3. Cot 105. So cot 105 equal to cot of 90 plus 15. Since it is 90, cot will become tan 15. So in the second quadrant, cot is negative. So minus tan 15 minus of tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. So of course we no need to remember these 105 degrees values, but we must remember 15 degrees and 17 degrees values. Okay, and the previous all formulas.